Hello, this is Jeremy Wilkie. I'm on the Cobra website reading about the new velocity-sensitive traction control suspension for the 2012 Cobras, and I wanted to talk a little bit about the design and what kind of tests and how we came about with this performance-enhancing modification or suspension design. The velocity-sensitive traction control is a special design that utilizes a traditional speed-sensitive compression and rebound cartridge in one fork, and the design that incorporates the MX Tech speed-sensitive bottoming control technology, but altered in a way that allows for optimal traction for small riders that have to experience large bump amplitude, also need significant bottoming resistance, but are very light and need suspension that has a significant amount of movement. Through good design and engineering, we were able to design a system that allows us to accomplish that, and we tested it for nearly a year before we decided to make it a production item on the 2012 bikes. At the end of this video, I'll provide a link to a website where you can view some of the solid models and also some PDFs that show the testing results, so you can better understand this. But I thought for this sake, a video would be a nice way to introduce it. Now I'm going to take you out to the shop and we're going to run the dyno, and I can show you some of the testing that we actually did to design this suspension. I have our Rohrig Engineering dyno configured and set up with the two forks. Again, one cartridge is a traditional speed-sensitive compression and rebound design, whereas the other cartridge is the velocity-sensitive traction control. We test them as a unit so we can attest the total effect of the suspension. So we're going to go ahead and start the test. The dyno is going to do a quick warm-up cycle, which allows us to maintain a consistent testing procedure. About 1 second, the dyno will start a seal test to measure for static friction of the seals. This will eliminate that from the dyno results. Our dyno fixture is very unique in that we can actually set it up to load the fork and test real-world flexing conditions as well, so we can evaluate different bushing materials and types. Alright, now we're going to actually begin the real test. Well, that's a real simulated dyno run. And remember, I'll post up some PDFs of the results of this and also some solid models so you can appreciate some of the design features. And you can go to www.mxtech.com and also the Cobra website. Thank you very much for watching.